Now what you have to write over here is, for example, you have to actually tell, when the child or the infant is there. So from there onwards to the journey of adulthood, that means, what all the person goes through, or what all the child goes through at the teenage, at the oral stage, in all that stages. So all those things get, there in the mind of the child. And the question is saying that, do these experiences affect the entire lives? So elaborate your answer in the light of personality theories. That means now you have to talk about the personality theory. So what you can do over here is that you can start with, for example, you can give the example of Sigmund Freud's or Sigmund Freud's. Psychoanalysis perspective, right? Then you can also write about the attachment theory. Now attachment theory, that means, usually, when we are small, then we get attached. So when we are talking about attachment theory, we need to know about, how the growing of the child is done, that the child gets attached to the parents, or for that matter, with respect to friends, or with that matter with respect to relations and all. So here you can also write about attachment theory.